Morning, I'm Vicky Cirkal Majid from Telkom University. Today I want to present my paper is entitled Entry RTL Analysis and FSM Based Link Layer Architecture for an Open Source BLA Baseband. So for the background and motivation, the BLA ships in billion of units, but the baseband controller is almost always closed IP. Very few open inspectable RTL implementation exist, and one of them is the GeoShenzhen BTLA repository is one of the few, and it is. So this is the control architecture. Our analysis is scoped strictly to the link layer only. The physical layer is an external interface we do not modify, and the host stack is not implemented in this GitHub open source. Say clearly only that. And walking the data pipeline from the CRC24 using LFSR 24 stage, waiting on 7 stage LFSR, a dual port package buffer, and an 8 correlator access address detector. Every block is present and verified so far. So the key slide is the BTLL or the link layer FSM is declared a complete port interface to all submodule. But there is no FSM in this GitHub repository. To control outputs are undriven. Every sequentiation comes from the test bench, so the repository cannot run standalone, and this is a control plan gap only. So our contribution is a 7-set FSM following the Bluetooth version 5.3 state model, and the advertising is the only operational in our scope. The rest area is just structural for the future expansion. Alongside it, an autonomous advertising engine, 20 millisecond gap, and 40 millisecond watchdog against pipeline stalls. Will clear of the around 300 millisecond a package needs and integrated without modifying any data plan submodule. For verification layer is the first one Python Golden model, and the second one is module level simulation using test bench, all passes, and we do the end-to-end simulation in Icarus. We can look in this test bench, the XPath is active, and the XPath is capture the same package from the TX side. And the last one is FPGA hardware validation using real hardware using ZBoard and FNCOM for the transparency. So this is our RTL to hardware and silicon. The first one is FPGA prototyping using ZBoard and bitstream generator, and boots to the FPGA, and it can capture all package in nearby from the array side. And for the physical design, I'm do the link layer only using open source LibreLAN or OpenLAN 2 and with the Skywater technology. The area is around 2 mu meter. For the again related work, we are the only implementation here that is open source, FPGA validated and confirmed, the physical synthesizable on Skywater. For the host CE, it remains our gap, and the comparison is qualitative because the other do not publish utilization number. Okay, to close RTL analysis, FSM design and verification at 4 layer. Stage 1 is for the TX reliability and HAE activation for the host communication. And for the future stage 2 is the RISC-V integration toward a minimal Bluetooth Low Energy system on chip. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you.